Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. This passage talks about the expected repercussion of the growing human population. The question is, which of the following statements represents a hidden assumption upon which the preceding argument depends? Option number 2 is incorrect because nothing in the argument considers city's budget. Option number 3 might question the validity of the result of the animal study, but it does not make any connection to human behavior. Option number 4 is incorrect because it makes no connection between the animal study and human behavior. Option 1 is the required option as the argument begins with information about animal behavior and then makes a conclusion about human behavior. Thus, the best assumption is one that connects human behavior to the observed animal behavior. Option number 1 is our choice. Answer to this question is option 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following passage and answer the question that follows the passage. Mark Twain is the greatest American author who ever lived. After all, most analytical papers have been written about Huckleberry Finn, Twain's most famous novel, than about any other novel ever written. The question is, which of the following assumptions is indicated in the above argument? Options 1 and 4 both stretch beyond the scope of the problem because the conclusion only addresses American authors. It does not say that Twain was the greatest worldwide author, nor does it make any comparison between American authors and authors of any other nation. Hence, they are incorrect. Option number 3 is incorrect because it ignores the issue of the analytical paper that is raised in the problem. Incorrect. Option number 2 is indicated in the argument. The argument directly connects the number of analytical paper written about an author's book to the author's greatness as is depicted in option number 2, making it our right choice. Answer is option 2. Hope you understood. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. The passage compares the earning of the President of United States with the American movie star. The question is, which of the following statements, if true, would most weaken the above argument? Option 2, 3 and 4 are all true statements, but they do not directly connect the President's salary to actors' salaries. Hence, they are incorrect choices. Option number 1, if true, would most weaken the argument. The problem assumes that President can earn only his salary and can have no other source of income. By negating this assumption, option 1 weakens the argument. Hence, it is our correct choice. The answer is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. Every year, the Board of Trustees of Acme Corporation elects a new president for the company. If the Board of Trustees elects a female president, then the company will open a new marketing office in Asia. However, the company already has a marketing office in every country in Asia. Question is, if all the statements in the above argument are true, which of the following conclusions must also be true? Option number 1 makes judgmental decisions about what the company should or should not do, which goes beyond the scope of the problem. Hence, incorrect. Option 2 is incorrect because nothing in the problem mentions anything about the current president. Incorrect. Option number 4 is close to the correct answer but is incorrect because the company could open a new marketing office in Asia even if the president is a man. Option 3 must also be a true conclusion. If the board elects a female president, then the second sentence of the passage says they will open a new marketing office in Asia. If they do not open a new marketing office in Asia, then it can be concluded that the board did not elect a female president. So option number 3 is the best answer. Answer to this question is option number 3. Hope you understood. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. This is a passage about hybrid strain of water lily that can absorb the pollutants from its water supply. The question is, which of the following statements, if true, would most weaken the argument? Option number 1 is incorrect because it would tend to strengthen the argument by showing that the water lilies would be an easy solution. Option number 3 and 4 are also incorrect because although they may be true statements, they do not address the problem of removing the waste products. Option 2, if true, would most weaken the argument. The argument assumes that water lilies solve the problem of chemical waste by removing the waste byproducts from the water. However, option number 2 weakens this conclusion by showing that the chemical waste is not eliminated but merely changed into another form still existing in the plants. The contaminated plant would still need to be disposed of. Hence, it is our correct choice. The answer to this question is option number 2. Hope you understood this. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.